Okay, I just need to expand. When you expand, you'll get, you're getting some resound, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, just a minute. I need to stop something. Okay. Okay, now there's no resound, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you expand this 3x square plus 4x plus 1 less than x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2x square. 3x square and here 3x square. 3x square is getting cancelled. 4x is also getting cancelled. We are only getting 1 less than 4. Okay, this statement is true for all x. X belongs to R. Okay, whatever real number you take, whatever x you take, this will be always less than this only. Okay, so it is always true. So solution set, you can write R like this. This is R only. We'll write one extra line. That is a particular font in English, which is useful for set of these things. And then we can also write minus infinity to infinity. you want to write in set builder form. Okay, if you want, you can write x such that x is a real number. If you want number line, the full number line. Okay, I'm sure many of you completed, but still. Actually, I was trying to set up two systems where in one of them I kept in a gallery view where at least I can see 25 people at a time. But in my computer, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, those who completed, you can try section 2, first question and third. Lot of people video is off still. Megavani, nowadays your video is off most of the times. Why?
Sir, internet problem.
You should not have. Okay, so 19, everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, section 2. That first question. Here they don't want solution set. They want, we'll find solution set and after that we'll read the rest of the question. They want smallest integer, greatest integer, all that. Okay, so 5 minus 3x less than 2x minus 10. I can send 3x that side and this side. 5 plus 10 is less than 2x plus 3x, which is 5x greater than 15, which is x greater than 3. Okay, so x greater than 3 means normally open interval 3 to infinity, but integers satisfying this are 4, 5, 6, so on. In that, the smallest integer is 4, right? Okay, so smallest integer greater than 3 is 4. That's a simple question, nothing complicated. Third question next. Find number of positive. How many integers are there? They want. Okay. Positive integers. So I can use a square minus b square formula or expand it. Anything is okay. X plus 9 whole square minus x plus 7 whole square less than 80. Double implies x plus 9 plus x plus 7 into x plus 9 minus x plus 7 less than 80. This plus this is 2x plus 16. This is 9 minus 7, 2 less than 80. I can take 2 common here, and which is a positive number, I can divide that side. I'll get x plus 8 less than 20. That implies x less than 2. All right, that's it. So positive integers means starting from 1 up to 12, right? So positive integers. Satisfying this inequality. Okay, I'm going to do positive integers satisfying this inequality. I'm writing here are 1, 2, 3, so on up to 11. So total 11 numbers are. Okay, section 3 also quite similar only. What did they ask anyway? Solve each of the following inequalities for real life. Write the solution set in Bedwelder form, interval form, different geometrical and okay. Same logic, but here and there little extensions are there. We'll discuss about it. Okay, still Rishikesh video is off. Pradeep Kumar video is off. Speaker Prashank, Chandani. Bhavana, Lochan Srivatsav, Dinesh Chandu, Santosh, Shashank, Lavanya, Ravyashree, Revant, Jnanadeep. Please put on your videos, everybody. When we meet physical classes, I don't want you to feel that you are stranger to me. At least I can see you. Lot of people still video is off. Sudiksha, Ahijit, Yashwant, Harshita, Pardhavishri, Tarun, Vamsi, Hemant Kartikeya, Surya, Sai Reshmita, Taruna.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Since in the third question it will ask the greatest positive integer satisfies the equation, then it will be 11.
Yeah, correct. And the smallest positive integer they asked, it is 1. But they had asked number of positive integers, which is 11. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, section 3, please see carefully on the screen. Let us look at fifth question. The fifth question, what is the denominator?
X square plus
X square plus 1.
Okay, yeah. Can I multiply that inequality both sides with x square plus 1?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I change the inequality or not?
No, sir.
No,
Because
sir.
it is always positive. A perfect square is always greater than or equal to 0, plus 1 is always positive. Because it is always positive, I can multiply with that on both sides. Okay. Same, sixth question, denominator is also something square plus something square. That is always positive. You can multiply with that on both sides. Seventh question, 2 minus x whole square. Is it always positive?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but at x equal to 2, it is not defined. One number you have to be careful. If you substitute x equal to 2 in the whole question, I don't know what will happen to numerator, but denominator becomes 0, it will not be defined. Other than that, no problem. It is always positive. I can multiply with that. Inequality will not change. So this section 3 is almost same as section 1, but with a little additions like this. We have to be a little careful about this slight nuances that are there. Okay. As we do questions, we'll get some clarity. Okay. So I'm going to erase section 2, first and 1 and 3. Everybody completed, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, section 3, first question. You can just expand 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 4x will cancel, 1 also will cancel. I'll simply get minus 8x greater than or equal to 0. When I multiply the negative number like minus 1 by 8 on both sides, inequality will change. Okay, I cannot just say I'll send minus 8 that side. Sending minus 8 that side means you are multiplying with minus 1 by 8, which is a negative number, so inequality changes. So I'll get x less than or equal to 0. Then solution set. You can write minus infinity to 0 closed, which is same as x such that x is less than or equal to 0. On the number line, you can take 0 including and everything on the left of. Still Shravan, Dikar Shashank, Tarunashri, Puneet, videos are off. Neha, Mitin, Yashwant, Tarun, Parthaveshri, please put on your videos. Sai Bhaskar, lot of people still video is off. Yochana, B. Tarun. Sai Reshmita, Vamsi, Jnanadeep, Shashank, Santosh. Okay. Okay, I think this first one, everybody clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, third question. Also just expand, we'll get x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is less than x square plus 4x plus 4. We can cancel out x squares and this is minus 2x that side 6x and this is minus 3 minus 4 is less than 4x plus 3x minus x. 6x is greater than minus 7 and x is greater than minus 7 by 6. Is it correct, third one? X is greater than minus 1 by 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Okay. So solution set is equal to minus 7 by 6 to infinity, which is also x such that x is less greater than minus 7 by 6. On the number line, it is simply open interval minus 7 by 6 and everything on the right side. At least I can see 25 people video is off. Please don't me repeat so many times. Madam, see up to 10:05, madam. After 10:05, whoever video is off, please remove them, madam.
Sir, I can't switch on my video, sir, due to unstable internet connection.
Okay. Whoever has the
When it is
problem,
stable, I will switch it on, sir.
Yeah. Put a message. Whoever has problem in the chat, you can put a message. All right. So fifth question onwards, whenever you have a perfect square, you should know it is positive. You can multiply with that on both sides, but it will be little careful when you have only perfect square. It can be 0 sometimes, so to be careful with that. All right. Okay, fifth question. We know x square plus 1 is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. This symbol is for all. You take letter A and ulta of that when you take, okay? Like this when you write, we read it as for all. All right. So whatever x you take, we know x square plus 1 is positive. Okay, now coming to the fifth question. Now 4 plus 3x by x square plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. You can multiply the x square plus 1 on both sides. Inequality will not change because it is positive, already we declared here. So it is x square plus 1 into 0. Okay, now this and this one we cancelled. We will get 4 plus 3x is greater than or equal to 0, and the 3x is greater than or equal to minus 4, and x is greater than or equal to minus 4 by 3. So solution set is equal to closed interval minus 4 by 3 to infinity, or x such that x is greater than or equal to minus 4 by 3. The number line minus 4 by 3 is there, and anything right of that, and this is included. Okay, this question is okay. In the future, when we write any solution, it is not that at the end you realize some answer is wrong and you will correct it. I don't want that. Okay, if answer came wrong, means somewhere some logic went wrong in between the steps. Okay, so we have to see that carefully.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, if we would take x belongs to all the numbers, means including real and complex numbers, then what will be the solution set for that?
The problem is in complex numbers, there is no inequality. We cannot say one complex number is less than another complex number, one complex number less than 0. Okay, so this inequality chapter cannot be there in complex numbers. That's why if you look at our definition, when we say a greater than b, when a minus b is positive. In complex numbers, there is no such definition. When z1 minus z2 is positive, z1 is greater than z2, because there is no complex number which can be positive or negative. Okay, from the 7th question onwards, we should know how to write solutions properly. Till now, things are easier. Okay, so in the beginning only I made this statement that it is always positive. That's why I multiplied with this, which is a positive number. Inequality did not change. Okay, we already completed fifth one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Coming to seventh one, before even doing seventh one, 1 by 1 by a. Can I write a? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is not always correct, except for the one number. When a is 0, this is fine, but this is not defined. Okay? You know, it looks like simple,
Yes.
but it is important. Okay?
Sir, I did not
for
understand.
If a is 0, can you talk about 1 by 1 by 0? Is 1 by 0 defined first of all?
No, sir.
Don't say 1 by 0 is infinity and 1 by infinity is 0. There is nothing called infinity, first thing. Second thing is a by b is defined only when b is not equal to 0. Okay? So 0 by 0, 1 by 0, 2 by 0, all are not defined. So it is meaningless to talk about 1 by 0 first of all. Okay? Okay, somebody asked you what will happen to 1 by 0. You tell it is a wrong question. Okay, a by b is not defined when b is not 0, when b is 0. That's it. Question is wrong. There's nothing like asking 0 by 0 what will happen and all that. Okay, because according to maths, a by b is defined as, or even 1 by a means multiplicative inverse of a. That's the definition. 1 by a definition is multiplicative inverse of a. A by b means it is a into 1 by b. That is a into multiplicative inverse of b. And 0 doesn't have multiplicative inverse, so there's nothing to talk about 1 by 0. Right? Okay. So even though this and this are same, but the problem is when x is 0, a is 0, this is defined. But when a is 0, this is not defined. Except at that time, everywhere else they are same. Okay, coming to seventh question. First of all, that inequality. Okay, when it will be defined. If whenever a ratio is there, we should make sure whenever denominator is 0, those x values are eliminated. All right. Okay. So 2 minus x whole square is greater than 0 for all real x except 2. If you take 2, it is 0. If you don't take 2, one thing for sure is 2. Okay, I can write first before that. 2 minus x whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. That much is clear. It cannot be negative. But when it is greater than 0 for all real x except 2, and 2 minus x whole square equal to 0, double implies x equal to. Okay. So first of all, x equal to 2 should be eliminated from the question. Okay. Now because it's the rest of the time it is positive, I can multiply with that. Okay. So x minus 1 whole square minus x plus 1 whole square by 2 minus x whole square less than or equal to 0 double implies we should write 2 minus x should not be 0, and now you can multiply 2 minus x whole square. 2 minus x whole square into x minus 1 whole square minus x plus 1 whole square by 2 minus x whole square less than or equal to 2 minus x whole square into 0. Because it is not 0, it is positive now. I can multiply with that on both sides. Now this double implies x should not be 2, and here this and this will cancel, and this I can expand. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. One should not say simply it is positive, I'll send this side. No, it may be 0, you have to take care of that. And it should be written, not at the end. The next step only should be there. So x should not be 2. And here x square will cancel. I'll get minus 4x plus 2 less than or equal to 2. This one is also minus 1. No? Okay. So it is minus 4x less than or equal to 0. Okay, thank you. So x not equal to 2, and I have to multiply with minus 1 by 4 on both sides. Because of that, multiply the negative number, inequality changes. Okay, don't just send minus 4 that side. Make sure it is a negative number, so inequality will change. So x is not equal to 2, and x is greater than or equal to 0. Now, how to write this answer that it is greater than or equal to 0 but not 2? So when you are writing solution set, which I am writing here, due to lack of place there. If you want to write in set form, there are two ways. First of all, I'll write in number line. 0 is included everything after 0, but except 2 should be open again. So this full thing and this full thing. Everything after 2, everything between 0 to 2, including 0 but excluding 2. So one way to write answer is closed 0 to open infinity except 2. There is another way to write closed 0 to 2 union open 2 to infinity. Union means these elements or these elements, total all those elements put together. Okay, please see this part carefully. We are getting answer that x should be 0 or more than that, but except 2. So there are two ways to write in set form. You can write closed 0 all the way up to infinity except 2. This is Flower bracket. See that carefully. Only one element, a set containing number 2. That number should be removed from this. Or you can write this set union this set 0 to 2, including 0, open 2, and again open 2 to infinity. Except 2, everything we covered. And if you are writing this in, if you want to write this in set form, you can simply write x such that x is greater than equal to 0 and x is not equal to 2. Okay, so 7th point mainly here is don't send this denominator that side. It is always positive, but at one number it is 0. You have to eliminate that. So from here to here, writing is very important. Is it all right, 7th one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Giridhar, can you adjust your camera? That will be possible. I can only see your hair. Naveen, you can also adjust. You are there. Okay, fine. No problem. You may be writing something. Okay, 9th question is not, you don't have to worry about so much here because 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1 is not always positive. It cannot be 0 also. Then it is just a positive number. You can divide or multiply with reciprocal of that. 11, we need to be really careful. Denominator, 3 things are there. Danish, Varshit Reddy, Lavanya, Bhavana, Lochan, Santosh, Shashank, Surya, 401 Surya, Hemant, please put on your videos. Pardhavishri, Ravant Reddy, Harshit, Nitin. All right, 7. Everybody completed?
Sir, once
Yes.
again, can you explain after the number line, sir?
Oh, after the number line. Okay, fine. Basically, what we got greater than or equal to 0. from 0 to infinity everything except this number 2. How to write it? Closed interval 0 to infinity everything, but we don't want this number 2, so minus a normal set brackets. This is not closed or open. A set containing number 2, only that number 2 is removed. Or you can write 0 to 2, all the numbers including 0 except 2. Union, this is, we read it as union. All these things, it's like joining this and this, okay, 2 to infinity. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
And here we simply wrote x greater than equal to 0, x not equal to 2, nothing special. Gunavant, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Understood.
Okay, I can see you anyway. Okay, ninth one, 2x plus 1 whole square. If it is only 2x plus 1 whole square, it is greater than or equal to 0. But if plus 1 is also there, it is always greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs for whatever real number you take, it is positive. It cannot be 0, it cannot be negative. It is a positive number, I can divide with that. So coming to the question, 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1. That is a normal bracket, not a big issue. 2x minus 1 minus 4x minus 5 less than 0. Double implies, I want to divide, but let me write it as multiplying with the reciprocal of that. 1 by 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1. This one, if I simplify, minus 2x plus 4 less than 1 by 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1 into 0. Okay, basically we are dividing only, it's a positive number, inequality will not change. Okay, I multiply the reciprocal, these two will cancel, that is 0. I'll get minus 2x plus 4 less than 0. Send 2x that side, 4 less than 2x, 2x greater than 4, and x greater than 2. Okay, that's it, nothing special. Okay, solution set is equal to open interval t to infinity or x such that x greater than 2. Number line simply beyond 2. Okay, just to recognize it always positive, good enough, nothing complicated. 11 we have to write carefully.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
So you said that 2x plus 1 whole square is greater than or equals to 0, no, sir?
yeah, but plus 1 is there. So you want to write greater than equal to 1, I don't mind. If something is greater than equal to 1, it is also greater than 0, right?
Yes, sir, but 2x plus 1 whole square will be greater than 0, now how it will be equal to 0, sir?
Oh, x is minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
Any perfect square without adding or subtracting a number, it can be 0 also. It cannot be negative, but it can be 0. If you want to know at what x value it is 0, it's simply equated to 0, you'll get x value. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Find x value, you will get minus 1 by 2. Right? So 11th question, before doing your ascertain denominator when it is 0, when it is positive, if at all it is negative. And in the numerator also, and there's a cube of the linear also.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, what is the syllabus for coming weekend exam?
Coming weekend exam, most likely it is transformations, extreme values, periodicity, and inequalities.
Okay, sir.
I'll confirm it, but mostly it is this. Present inequality is going on by this next weekend. We can complete it also. And going back, recently we've done periodicity, extreme values, and before that transformation. I think next week we have one holiday in between, October 2nd. This Monday afternoon, I will take one extra class for everybody. This week, outgoing students will be there. Tomorrow they have advanced exam, 6 hours, morning 3 hours, afternoon 3 hours. After that, we don't have any work with that batch. We'll be more free. We can take more classes for it. Okay, 9. Anybody has still any doubt?
No, sir.
Can I go ahead and erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so why did they give curly brackets in the question?
Yeah, that is just a normal, because they want to put a different bracket maybe. This is not a set bracket kind of thing. You can put any bracket, not a big issue. Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes we need to use too many brackets. We also use curly brackets. Okay, coming to 11th one, I want to make few statements before this. Please listen. Let us say if I have to solve x minus 5 less than 0, x minus 5 whole cube less than 0. Both will have same solution or a different solution?
Same solution.
Same. If you take x minus 5 whole power 99, whenever a power is odd, all these are same, because if this is positive, this will be positive, this will be positive. When this is negative, it will be negative, it will be negative. All right. And when this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. But when you have even power, it is not like that. Even though it is negative, this may be still positive. So I want you to understand this few points, that x greater than 0 double implies x cube greater than 0 double implies x power 99 greater than any odd power. Similarly, x less than 0 implies x cube is less than 0, which implies x power 99 is less than 0. If you take equal to 0 also, x equal to 0 implies x equal to 0, x power 99 equal to 0. So whenever I give, let us say some 2x plus 3 less than 0, or 2x plus 3 whole power 79 less than 0, you don't have to worry what is the 79, how to deal with it. You have to simply write the same as 2x plus 3 less than 0 and solve normal. That's the first point. By cubing it or doing odd power, the sign of a real number cannot be changed if you do odd power. Okay, next, coming to the present question. 4 minus 3x whole square plus 1 is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. It is a positive number. I can divide, multiply, inequality will not change. Next, x minus 3 whole square into x minus 4 whole square into x minus 5 whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. This is greater than or 0. This cannot be negative. This cannot be negative. This cannot be negative. Each one of them is 0 or positive. This is 0 or positive. This is 0 or positive. This is 0 or positive. So when I multiply them, it will be 0 or positive. But when it will be 0, when it will be positive. X minus 3 whole square into x minus 4 whole square into x minus 5 whole square is equal to 0. Double implies x is equal to 3 or 4 or 5. Okay. And the rest of the time it is positive. X minus 3 into x minus 4 whole square into x minus 5 whole square is greater than 0 for all x, okay, belongs to all real numbers except 3, 4, 5. See, this is a curly bracket or flower bracket, whatever you want to call it. All real numbers except number 3, number 4, number 5. Those 3 numbers, if you remove any other real number you take, this can't be 0, it is positive only. This can't be 0, it is positive only. This can't be 0, it is positive only. Okay. So this whole thing is positive. So first of all, you have to understand that By doing odd power, things will not change, and this is always positive. This is when it is 0, when it is positive, we are able to understand clearly. Are there any IPL matches are there tomorrow?
Don't know, sir.
Oh, no, sir.
Oh,
There, sir.
I hope you are not lying.
There, sir, tomorrow.
There, sir.
Between which teams? I don't know the names of these teams and all. I don't bother. Okay. Somehow from the beginning, I never liked the cricket that much. But when I was studying my engineering, I was studying mechanical engineering with specialization in marine engineering. Okay. So we have only, in our specialization, we have only 12 students. And there is another branch called naval architecture, where they'll be designing the ships and things like that. Okay. They also have only 12 students. So usually there used to be a lot of cricket matches between these two things, whenever holiday or things like that.
Sir, Rajasthan
And
versus Punjab.
Acha, okay. And I always used to think boys watch cricket a lot, girls doesn't bother about cricket that much.
Yes, sir.
No, we may be wrong, we don't know.
Sir, even I don't watch, but I just see which team wins and that's it.
Acha, okay. Somehow these Britishers, even though they left India, two things they left with the country, which are two bad habits. One is cricket, another is tea. Earlier, before Britishers, they were not drinking tea. Okay. Especially in Kerala, they used to grow nice sandalwood trees. A lot of hills used to be full of sandalwood trees. After the Britishers came, they cut all the sandalwood trees and now they're growing rubber and tea. Only these are the two things. Otherwise, Kerala was very, very famous for sandalwood for all over the world. Okay, this is done. Okay, so we only not started the question, just some idea about the question we discussed. So, if you observe carefully in 11th question, I have one perfect square plus one here, some linear expression whole cube here, and some square here. I want to send this one that side, I want to send this one also that side, but I should make sure they're all positive. Okay, if that is 0 or negative, I have to be little careful with that. Okay, so the question is 4 minus 3x whole square plus 1. This inside the linear expression, I want to simplify. 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. Minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4 whole cube. And x minus 3 whole square into x minus 4 whole square into x minus 5 whole square should be less than 0. So what should I do from here is that denominator should not be 0. So I should write x minus 3 whole square into x minus 4 whole square into x minus whole square should not be 0. And now I can send this all positive, I can send that side, this also positive, forget about it. I'll be left with minus 2x plus 4 whole cube less than 0. Denominator should not be 0 and all are positive, send that side. Okay, from this I'll get x should not be 3 or 4 or 5 and cube I can remove. Just now I learned whether I take cube or not, sign doesn't change. Once again, It is not that you at the end you get some answer and see 3, 4, 5 is missing and then you correct the solution. But understand your writing steps itself something went wrong. That's whenever answer is wrong, other than silly mistakes, you should see which step you've done wrong and what is that you have done wrong. Okay, not later on you correct it. So from here to here, if you write only this, it is wrong. You should also write this. Okay, now we got x should not be 3, 4, 5, and here we'll get 4 less than 2x. X should not be 3, 4, 5, and x greater than 2. Okay, so we got x should be more than 2, but within more than 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So how to write this? First of all, I want to draw a number line where 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything after 2 is okay except this. So this full thing here, this full thing here, this full thing, and after 5, everything. All right. Everything between 2 to 3, everything between 3 to 4, everything between 4 to 5, but not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5. Okay, how to write it as a set? Solution set is equal to open interval 2 to infinity except 3 discrete numbers 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. This is not closed interval or open interval, a set containing 3 elements. All right. You can also write this as 2, 3 union 3, 4 union 4, 5 union 5, infinity. All these numbers are open interval 2 to 3. All these numbers are open interval 3 to 4. All these numbers are open interval 4 to 5, and all the numbers are open interval 5 to infinity. Okay. So if you want to write in set, you can write also x such that x is greater than 2 and x is not equal to 3, 4, 5. Is everybody clear about 11th one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Even though it takes some time, I want to tell 13th one also. Okay, I may extend a little bit today. Anyway, tomorrow is holiday. Giridhar, are you able to follow all these things clearly? You completed yesterday's homework, Giridhar?
Sir, still I'm doing.
No, yesterday's homework still. Some questions you tried. All right, it's okay. In 13th question, there are product of two things, and the second bracket is a square that is always positive, but when it is 0, those numbers have to be carefully removed. When is 6x square plus 35x plus 50 is 0? What are the roots? How can I write 300 as a product of two numbers whose sum is 35? Okay, 11th question still. Anybody has doubt? Everybody completed? What is there on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in 13th question, you have to understand the first bracket, when you expand, x square will cancel, it is a linear expression. But second one is a perfect square of a quadratic expression. So 13, 2x plus 5 whole square minus 4 into x plus 1 whole square. When you expand, it is 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus 4x square minus 8x minus 4. The 4x square will cancel. I'll get 12x plus 21. Okay, next coming to the 6x square plus 35x plus 50 and be written as if I write 20x
25 into 10.
15 and
15 into 10.
yeah. If I take 3x form and I'll get 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 10. No, something wrong. X square plus 15x. I can take 3x common, 2x plus 5. 15 as correct. So basically 6x square plus 35x plus 50 whole square is greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. It is always positive or 0. But you have to know when it is positive and when it is negative. 6x square plus 35x plus 50 equal to 0 double implies x is equal to minus 5 by 2 or minus 10 by 3. If or we can write 6x square plus 35x plus 50 whole square is greater than 0 for all x belongs to all real numbers except minus 5 by and minus 10 by. So this is always positive or 0, it cannot be negative. Now coming to present question, it is 12x plus 21 into 6x square plus 35x plus 50 whole square less than 0. If this is 0, the product cannot be less than 0, so it should not be 0. So I have to write now 6x square plus 35x plus 50 should not be 0. And if it is not 0, then it is positive. I can send that side. I'll get 12x plus 21 less than 0. I know it is mostly positive. I have to send that side. So I can send it. But if it is 0, I can avoid that. That's why I have to write this step. So this table implies we know x should not be minus 5 by 2 minus 10 by 3. And x should be less than minus 21 by 12, which is minus 7 by 4. It should be less than minus 21 by 12, which is minus 7 by 4. Okay, so is all these numbers are less than minus 7 by 4? Minus 5 by 2, is it before minus 7 by 4? So minus 10 by 4 is correct. What about this? This 21, this 30. Yes, this also less. Yeah. So if you really take number line, right on the top. If I take the number line first, minus 7 by 4 is somewhere here. Minus, we want to take all denominators at 12. This is 30. This is 40. So this is a little bit here. So minus 10 by 3 is here. Minus 5 by 2 is here. So less than this, but these are not included. So this full thing, and this is open. This is also open, and this full. So write the answers, solution set. somebody can write minus infinity to minus 7 by 4. Everything is open. Minus a set containing these two numbers. Minus 10 by 3, minus 5 by 2. Or you can write this union, this. Minus infinity to minus 10 by 3. Union minus 10 by 3 to minus 5 by 2. Union minus 5 by 2 to minus 7 by 4. Is union not visible?
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can we find x values in 2x plus 5 whole square minus 4 into x plus 1 whole square, and then we can continue with the sums?
No, we've done that only. That is 12x plus 21. We simplified it. This 12x plus 21 came from there only.
No, sir, I'm asking. You found a solution for 6x square plus 35x plus 15, no, sir? In the same.
Why I found it? No, why I found it is very important. Why? Because whole square is there for that. Okay, if something whole square is always positive, I can send that side. But where it is 0, I have to avoid that. Okay, so I clearly mentioned that. Where is that? This is always greater than or equal to 0. When it is 0, when it is positive. So you understand that it is mostly positive, so I can send that side. I can divide it as a positive number. But you have to solve this equation, no? 12x plus 21, where it is 0 is not only important, where it is positive, where it is negative is also important. Here, where it is negative, not important because it can never be negative, it is always positive. You understand that?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, let me tell you for everybody one thing. First, we have done exercise 1. These are all simple linear inequations, right? These are also almost similar, but a linear expression is multiplied with some perfect square, okay, where it's always positive, but wherever it is 0, we have to be a little careful. Should we include those numbers? Should we exclude those numbers? Our main question is this less than 0 only, and you know how to solve that. But into some expression is there, which is mostly positive, so I can send that side. But where it is 0, I have to be careful, so I have to exclude them. Are you clear now, Saket?
No, sir.
Not clear. Okay. Let us see if I tell you a less than 0. Okay. A into x minus 2 whole square less than 0. What is the difference between these two? For this solution, are they same or any difference will be there? A less than 0, A into
9. It will be same, sir.
No. You have to remove 2. Here when x is 2, still a may be negative. But here when you take x equal to it is 0, na? How they are saying?
Okay, sir. Yes.
And I'll give one more example and I'll stop. Okay. So I'm going to erase a little bit upper part here. Okay, I think this will clarify to many people. Let us say x minus 5 less than 0. X minus 5 into x minus 3 whole square less than 0. X minus 5 into x minus 2 whole power 10 less than 0. Let me ask somebody. Some people conveniently switch off their video so that I cannot ask them. All right, Tanmay, roll number 360.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the solution for this? What is the solution set for this? What is the solution set for this? Three things I asked.
So for the first one, it is minus infinity to 5.
Yes.
For the second one also, it is minus infinity to 5.
In between 3 is there. If you substitute 3, what will happen to this whole value? So what is the answer then? Except 3, right? Okay. That is because this is always positive. I can send that side, but there is one number where it is 0, and that makes, even though it is negative, negative into 0 will be 0, and it will not be less than 0, it will be equal to 0. So here answer is x less than 5. Here x less than 5, but x should not be 3. What about this answer?
Minus infinity to 5 except 2.
Yeah, here also minus infinity to 5, but x should not be 2, because only at 2 it will become 0, and 0 cannot be less than 0. So see, Saket, all these are same questions. We are talking about linear inequalities only, not quadratic inequalities. That will come little later. What you have to understand is this is mostly positive, this is mostly positive, you can send to the other side. But where it is 0, that is playing some role in the question.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Okay, so that is the difference between exercise 1 and exercise 3 that we have done. Section 1, we don't have this kind of extra attachments. Whereas section 3, same linear expressions, but some perfect square is multiplied or divided, which can change your answer slightly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, I think I should have explained something more about this. So think about it. I'm sure most of you are clear. But those who have doubts about this section 3, especially last 3-4 questions, I'll give some simple examples like this in my next class. I don't want to extend today. You'll find more comfortable by that time. Is that okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Section 2 and section 3, even numbers we can complete by Monday. All right. You don't have to submit now. I'll tell you when to submit, but just complete and keep it with you. All right. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
those who copied what is there on the board, okay, you can take break. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.